Hey guys, my name is Piyush and welcome in this channel. So in this lecture, we are going to discuss what is Go language and how to print hello world program using Go language. Okay, just simply search Golang, right? And then you will get this first link, download, sorry, click on this Golang and you will get this type of interface. Just click on the download Go and select your operating system. If you are the Windows user, you can download Microsoft Windows. If you are the Mac user, so you can use this one. Otherwise, Linux also. I'm the Mac user, so I'm going to download this one thing because not going to download because I already download it. So I'm not going to show you because this is the simplest process. Okay, so just click on this and let's continue, continue, continue. You will done. Okay, you will do easily, I think. Okay, so now I'm going to the Visual Studio, right? Now before going to the code, I just want to tell you something like why the Go language and who designed this Go language. So the second question is who designed this language. Google designed the language, and what is why the Google designed this language? Just because of Google was using um, Python, Java, and all. So these all language are not compatible to the Google peoples because the Google people are not feeling so comfortable with these languages. So Google has been made his mind that they should make a new another other language. Okay, so they decided to make this Go language, and then here you can see the Go language as designed. So how to use, just simply write package and then main. And okay, so you need to import what import you need to import some packages like fmt this package. Okay, so like you can see in every language we have some functions, we have some methods to print the message. Okay, like in Java you have a main method, you must need to define main method. Okay, and in JavaScript you can define your functions, and within a function you can print your message, right? So same in this also we are going to use the functions. So what kind of function we are going to use? Okay, so now we are going to define the main functions. Okay, so how to define the main function? So like just write func. This is the there's a type, you can say this, just simply write func and the function has done. Okay, okay, so func and then the main method, and inside this main method you need to print something. Okay, so using fmt dot print alan, and then write your message. Hey, this is piyush. Okay, from mu sigma classes, right? Okay, so if you will run this file, definitely this file give you error. What error? I'm not going to tell you right now, I'm going to show you. So okay, so just write go, tell to the go language, hey go, just run the file. Go run. What? Go is asking you, go is asking to you that which file I should run. So should tell, hey, you need to download golang 01. So golang 01, and whatever extension we have, go. Okay, so golang 01, right? When you will hit enter, you will get error. Yeah, this error you are getting. Okay, so why the problem is the body is not defining the missing function body, these all are blah blah blah. So you are thinking that this is the problem. No, 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 no. Save this one thing, and if you will do enter, and error is coming again. So clear everything. So the problem is this print, you need to put capital B here. This is not a small p. you should put capital P here, because this is the type of Go language, right? When you will go run golang01.go, this will give you again error. Why the error is going on? Because you don't need to put semicolon here. Just save this one again and clear everything, then run. Okay, the error is coming again. What the problem is going on? Just check again. So you can see here in this, the problem is you need to this put this curly bracket just after this main, right? Save this one thing and then go run, and this is some message. Okay, so clear everything and then I'm showing you again. You can see here, hi, this is piyush from your Sima classes. So in this first lecture, what things you learn? The first thing, how, what is a Go language, how to print the messages, and what type of problems comes whenever you are going to print hello world, the very first program, right? So in every lecture, in every video, I will show you what type of problem will come whenever you are going to write the code. Okay, not only I'm going to show you errors, I'm going to give you X solution also, and of course I will give you solutions. And hey guys, again I'm going to tell you, if you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, because this will increase my motivation, right? So guys, subscribe my channel, and if you have any confusion, if you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much.